Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to use ChatGPT. Also I'm wondering why you want to know how to use ChatGPT. It is because you want to create an assignment or maybe you want something written so you're using the ChatGPT or whatever reason it could be for you to use the ChatGPT. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is you just have to simply open any browser of your choice. Right now I am opening Google Chrome, but you can use any browser of your choice. Just simply search for ChatGPT and then you will get many links, and from all these links you have to select this one which has a name OpenAI, because the real name of the website is OpenAI and ChatGPT its product. So just simply tap on this link to open the ChatGPT. Once the ChatGPT gets open, you will see its interface. On the top, it is written OpenAI, and under it, we have ChatGPT. So for that, you just have to simply click on this option, which is Try ChatGPT. Simply click on it, and ChatGPT will open. It will just take a while to load, and the website will be ready. So right now, you could see its interface. This is how the ChatGPT looks. On the top it is written ChatGPT, and under it we have its example. The examples are there so you can get to know that how you have to use the ChatGPT, how to search for it. And in the capabilities it shows that how much capable ChatGPT is, and limitation there are the boundaries for the ChatGPT. After that, at the bottom you could see this search bar. Here you have to search for anything that you want to know. For example, if you want to write an essay on anything, so you can tell it and the chat gpt will write it. You have to tell the chat gpt in a way like you're talking with your friends, like write me an essay on my book for 100 letters, 200 words, like that. You just have to simply type it and then it will type it for you. Here I'm asking it to type me an essay on a rainy day, and I'm also giving it some instructions. After that you have to click, once you have done it, you have to click on this option and then you have to click on that arrow and it will start typing your essay. It will just take a while, and after that it will start typing your essay. So here you can see I asked it to write me an essay and now it is typing. And once it gets done typing, you could copy that text and can paste it wherever you want to do. So that's how you can create your assignments, your university work, your office works with the help of ChatGPT. You just have to give it instructions and it will type for you without any plagiarism. Other than essay, you can also ask it to give you an opinion about something, to give you knowledge about something. You can even ask it any random question and it will answer you. If you have any assignments and it has question, so you can ask ChatGPT and it will answer you. So this will do your work. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can use ChatGPT. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.